If you have been following us for a while, then you must have seen the videos about floaters. Have you watched them yet? Floaters are small dark spots, circles, strands, or spiderwebs that seem to move in front of your eyes. Have you ever suffered from it? Something very similar to it is blurry vision, which a big part of the population has had at least once in their lives. Blurry vision can be normal in some situations. For example, when we spend too much time in front of the computer or in any other activity that requires long periods of attention. In this case, usually just fixing your sight on a distant and steady point on the horizon is enough to make your vision return to normal. However, many times this problem can become frequent, causing malaise and headaches. It is necessary to treat it so it doesn't get worse. Blurry vision is a very common symptom and can happen because of sight issues, such as myopia or hyperopia, or can even be a symptom of more serious problems, like conjunctivitis, cataract, or even diabetes. Did you know that? In today's video, you will learn a recipe that will help you improve your sight and prevent blurry vision, while rejuvenating the contour of your eyes. Isn't it amazing? Write down the ingredients. 6.75 ounces of flaxseed oil, 4 lemons, 3 garlic cloves, 10 tablespoons honey. Start by peeling and mashing the garlic. If possible, use a masher. After that, put the garlic in a jar and add the sliced lemons, peeled, the oil, and the honey. Wait a few minutes and remove all solids from the jar. Store the remaining liquid in the fridge and drink 1 teaspoon of it before your breakfast and before going to sleep. Simple and easy to do, right? Besides improving your sight, it will also improve your skin and hair, making them more smooth, silky, and nourished. If the symptoms don't show any improvement, or if you show sudden changes in your vision, talk to an ophthalmologist so they can diagnose and suggest a treatment for your problem. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.